Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is another interesting question in which it's given as C is tangent to the bigger circle, AC is diameter of the bigger circle, then find angle QPR. So let's see how to solve this question. So this is the given figure, and in the question it's given that SC is tangent to the bigger circle and AC is diameter. So AC will be perpendicular to SC, so this angle will be 90 degree, that is angle ACS is 90 degree. Now angle ADC, which is this angle, this will also be 90 degree because it's in a semicircle as AC is diameter. Now this is a straight line, so this remaining angle will also be of 90 degree. Now angle ABC, that is this angle, this will also be 90 degree as AC is diameter, this is 60, so remaining angle ABD, so this will be angle ABD is equal to 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree, so this angle is 30 degree. Now this angle and this angle both are in the same segment of the circle, so this angle will also be of 30 degree. Now this angle is 90 degree and this we have calculated 30 degree, so remaining this angle, which is angle DCS is equal to 90 minus 30, that is of 60 degree, so this angle is 60 degree. Now let us draw the figure again. Now this angle we have calculated 90 degree and this we have calculated 60 degree. So in triangle SDC, this is 90, this is 60. So by angle sum property, this angle will be of 30 degree. That is angle DSC is equal to 30 degree. Now angle DSC is equal to angle QSR. So both are same. Now angle QPR is equal to angle QSR because both are in the same segment of the circle, that is this angle is equal to this angle, so this will also be of 30 degree. So this was asked in the question. I hope this was easy to understand. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.